Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into a couple of my favorite socket organizers. So over the years I've used a few different socket organizers. One I've had for about 10 years, the other one I've had for maybe a little over a year, and the one that I've had for a little over a year is one that I've wanted for many years but just couldn't justify the price for the amount of sockets that I needed it for. And I finally picked it up about a year and a half ago, and I'm really glad I did. So these are two of my favorite all-time socket organizers. I've done a video on like 5 of the best socket organizers, things like that. I will include down in the description the 2 that we go over today, as well as a couple others that I would recommend. Either they're ones that I've used in the past or ones that I considered at the time compared to the ones that I'm running now or ones that I used in the past. So I believe they're all good organizers, but let's go ahead and get into 2 of the best organizers in my opinion, or at least for my situation. Now, before we do get into this, I do want to mention real quickly, one of these is going to be a very good universal socket organizer for all sorts of situations: tool carts, tool boxes, work trucks, things like that. The other one is going to be really good for stationary. One's very customizable, one not so much. So there are some pros and cons to these, but I really enjoy them. So let's go ahead and get into them. If you guys enjoy, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Let's go ahead and take a look. So we're going to be looking at my socket organizers that I've switched to and my favorite ones so far. I've ran a few different socket organizers. I've used just the blow molded cases that sockets come in. I've used the Harbor Freight black rails. It's the double rail, I believe, where it's got the wall in between with the little tabs that show you the size. And then I've used the toolbox widget, which was really cool. But when you have a lot, then it can be quite expensive. But I liked all of those, didn't really have a big issue with any of those, but I have wanted to get what's in this box for many years, basically 10 years, and I finally got it a couple years ago. And then over here I'm using what I bought almost 8 years ago, and it's probably the most versatile one that I've owned and really enjoyed. So I'll never get rid of these just because they're good for going mobile or going to the junkyard, or if you just need a set, maybe you're working outside your garage, whatever it may be, maybe it's easier to grab off of this organizer than it is what I went with this box. But this is something that I've wanted for years and just took the time because they are pricier, and that is going to be the Westling billet aluminum socket organizer. And these are just little rails that you can get, or little platforms with the pegs. And like this one is specifically for your 1/4" drive swivel sockets, so it's spaced correctly for the swivel socket design. I had some 3/8, these are 1/4". I had some 3/8, and I didn't get the 3/8 swivel organizer, but I had this left over, which is like a universal, and so I went with that. Now, I got this Capri set right before I bought the Westling organizers, and I swear I had ordered blue for metric and red for SAE, and when they came in, it was red for metric, blue for SAE, and you can see it says it there. So the red is metric, and then I have one Capri. The Capri set is shallow, mid-length, and deep well, and it came with the Westling organizer. So when I got that set, and I was excited to see that Capri was offering their sets with the Westling organizer because I've always wanted to get them. So when I got that, I was like, okay, now I really want to get the rest of my drawer fitted with this, and I must have messed up and bought the wrong color. So my OCD does kind of bother me when I look at that, but I did realize the Capri blue on these Westling organizers is different than the Westling blue. You can see the Westling is a lighter, brighter blue, where the Capri is a darker, deeper blue. So they would have been different either way, but I meant to get the metric in blue and the SAE in red, but it's too late. I'm still extremely happy with it. They work really well. They just literally sit in there, so they're really easy to grab, really easy to put away. Now, if you're working out of a truck, maybe you go mobile, maybe you're looking to go to the junkyard, this isn't great because you're gonna have to just grab whatever you want and toss it in a bag or put it on like a little rail something of that sort. So this is more designed for a home box or a box that isn't going to be moving around. And then here you see I have the 3/8 swivels up here. I need to just go ahead and order 2 3/8 swivel organizers, both for the SAE and the metric, so those can be organized. But these work really well. They're really nice aluminum. The anodizing is beautiful, and they are made in the USA. So I really like that. And just the fitment is really nice, really easy to grab and go. So that is what I have in this box. Over here in this box, I have the Ernst socket boss, and you can get these in 2 rails, 3 rails, whatever it may be. This is all Silver Eagle and Matco from when I went to college. I got some Pittsburgh over here, just some overflow. And you can get little attachments that hold extensions and ratchets, and it's just really nice for keeping everything organized. And Tekton, like you guys know, they use a lot of the Ernst organizers, so you can also get these from Tekton. I believe they're a little bit more, but once again, if you have the rewards points, you can save a little bit of money. You just always want to do a comparison between the Ernst pricing, whether that be on their own website or Amazon, versus the Tekton pricing, and just see if you have rewards and, you know, make the best decision. You can also get them in multiple different colors. There's red, blue. They also have many different organizers, like this bit boss, which keeps all of your bits organized. You can get this in the black or a high vis green, that greenish yellow, the bright neon. And then this, as far as identification, uses stickers. Not the greatest, but honestly, once you have your stuff set up for a little while, you're going to get used to where things are at, and you're not really going to need those identifiers. But they are stickers, and you can put as many clips as you want. Like, when you buy one, it's going to be outfitted with so many 1/4 inch, so many 3/8, and so many 1/2 inch drive. Well, I took all of the 3/8 and 1/2 inch off of this, bought just packs of more 1/4 inch, and outfitted this all in 1/4 inch, this all in 3/8, this all in 1/2 inch. So it's easy, and they all lock in. So when you put these down, you twist and it's locked in place, so they're not going anywhere. So whether you have this in a home box, shop box, tool cart, mobile truck, whatever it may be, it's going to hold the sockets really well. You can either just throw the whole tray in there, or you can simply, see what side this is on, push this button here, and then slide. It's hard to do with one hand. Push this button here and then slide the rail back, and it releases the whole rail. So when I got to go rebuild the carb on my lawnmower, you know, a couple times a year, I just grab the rail that I need, that I know has the sockets, and I'm able to just take this, instead of grabbing, you know, a handful of sockets and tossing them in my pocket or in a tool bag or whatnot, I can just simply grab the rail, and then you just drop it in and push it, and it locks right there on that tab. And this is just to release it, so you can slide it. And then those pegs can go wherever you want on there. You can keep them super close like I did over here, or you can space them out. So these are very, very versatile and very affordable. I think they're as low as maybe $17, and then up to maybe $30, just depending on whether you get the 2 rail, the 3 rail, and then if you're buying them with these rail adapters for extensions and ratchets. Just a great variation. And then I did red for the SAE over here, so you can see blue metric, red SAE, and I did it backwards over there. But I'm still super happy with how they turned out and how well both organizers work. These are 2 of my favorite organizers. Honestly, I don't see myself switching from these. I'll have a couple organizers outside of these that I think are good organizers. I'll link those down in the description, but the main 2 are going to be the Westling billet aluminum socket organizers and the Ernst socket boss. I think both of those are fantastic. Just one is better for home, one is better if you're constantly grabbing tools and going other places, or maybe away from your toolbox where you need multiple sockets. So that's my thoughts. Those are the organizers I use. Let me know what you guys are using for a socket organizer, and whether you enjoy it, or if it's something you recommend others to stay away from.
And if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts. And as always, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.